Wait,
1 second.
Yeah?
I love you. Listen, you be sweet and you follow directions. Listen, and if I say you got a ball game, then I need you to go over there and put your stuff on and Miss Amanda will get you, okay? Okay.
Okay. Sorry, guys.
We had a little
visitor.
Yeah. Okay,
my
so
mom.
oh crap! I just showed what we're doing. So today we're doing a slime video. So
And
we
Addie's
have-
already playing with it.
Sorry, it's so fun. Okay, so let's make it look like it's never been opened. So we're gonna see here. You show that one. You show this one. It's a store-bought.
What?
Say it's a store-bought slime.
It's a store-bought slime. We got it.
It's called the Planet Foam and Fluffy Purple, and it's the mix of 2 different slimes. And now I'm gonna show mine. She's gonna show you hers.
So gonna turn it around just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna show you something. This one's like a buttery slime.
Did y'all make this one?
Yes. We made that one, by the way. And we have this blue sticky one. I do not like this one. It's
So
pretty
we
colored.
also have this one that is homemade slime. It's pretty good.
Yes, homemade slime.
And we are going to add water to it today.
Yes.
Just add water.
And we're
And
gonna
we're
add
gonna
some
see
water.
what we can do. And then in a minute we're gonna do an American Girl doll video setting up the house.
Yeah, we're gonna set up the house because we're gonna Addie's house.
Yeah.
Because my house, there's no babysitter. And let me go see if the car's gone.
I don't think it's gone yet.
Yeah, I think it's gone.
It's not gone yet.
Yep, it's gone. That's my mom's car.
But she's about to leave. It's not gone yet. She's walking down my stairs.
Yeah, I'm saying Preston's car. Okay, so we're gonna show you.
I was putting it down so we could add water. Whoops. So here's the slime. It's a bright pink.
Pink.
No.
It was supposed to be red,
Show that to her.
but okay. So we have a slime. It might look blue in the video, but it's actually like purple.
It's a galaxy purple.
Yeah, it's like a galaxy purple, but it might look blue a little bit because we don't have good light in here. We don't have good light in here at all. I'm like trying to smooth this thing out.
Ugh. Nasty.
That's all the water we're adding to that today. I think this might be like a little bit gooey slime day.
Ooh, this makes it good. And if you work with it a lot and move it fast, it won't stick. And it makes it hard, which is not fun. And then you want to say, oh, I think we should add more water. But really, you should. But all you should do is you should make like a little You should make it into like a little ball.
By the way, this is her YouTube channel.
Yeah, and poke a hole in the middle. And once you get the water, just drip it down the middle. That's good. See?
And you would have the water in
And
there.
then just squeeze it. It's going to be a little like sloppy Joe at first.
But then you're going to recognize that it's going to come off.
Yeah, it's definitely coming off.
Okay, now I'm going to show you. This was like a
It
butter
actually
slime.
is. It makes it feel like a butter slime, but it's not.
Okay, so hashtag purple slime. Well, you're probably going to say hashtag blue slime in the camera.
Oh, and if you comment hashtag slime in the comments below, I will give you a shout out.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is kind of like a boring video.
It's just like playing with slime.
And I bet you guys that don't have slime out there, and I'm sorry, we're making you feel bad. We're not trying to make anybody feel bad. We're just
Showing the slime video.
Yeah.
They're probably like, I wish I had that.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. Plus, this isn't even like my slime.
Yeah, this is my slime.
This hers.
Yep, if y'all think it's her slime, it's not my
Slime
her
is banned from my house. And I got slime on my comforter. Apparently, me. It was actually my brothers and sisters. Sorry for a little, look a little.
Crazy.
You know, yeah, we were dancing to some music and we babysitting.
Babysitting.
Sitting.
Seriously, it was so nuts.
Those kids are nuts.
and one of them called us stupid.
No, dummies.
Dummies.
He was only like 4. 5, how old is Preston? 4.
He's a cuckoo nut. A cuckoo nut for cuckoo for cuckoo puffs. Cocoa puffs. Cuckoo puffs. Whatever. Cocoa puffs.
Okay, this is not getting better.
It isn't. Let me feel it. Okay, let me feel it. What kind of is that better, but not that. I think Addie used like too much water. We're not gonna add water to this blue one, guys.
It's already too sticky and slimy.
No, seriously, it's so slimy and sticky.
It pulled off pieces of her mom's kitchen table. Literally.
It's so slimy.
Nothing. Let's just keep going on with the video. Act like I have to go to the
Bathroom.
Yeah.
While we're here, we can just clean up a little bit. Just a
That.
That was a quick restroom break.
Yeah. Very quick.
Wait, guys, I have to do something.
Hi. Doing nothing. Playing with slime. I'm gonna see what
Can you
happens if I
help
add a dribble drop. A drip drop of water to this.
Okay,
Drip.
there we go.
Drop.
Got used to it.
I did 4 drip drops.
You did 4 drip drops? Oh my gosh. I do not. Your turn to play with the slime. Yeah. Play with it.
I want to. It's sticky.
Then you should. We're not adding no more water to that one. Seriously, Addie?
Oh no, my mom's gonna kill me. Removing this. Just put the bag in my hand.
Oh my gosh.
I'll be sticky slime girl.
Just go like this quickly. Oh my gosh.
Where'd that go?
Right here. Where'd that go? I found it.
Oh.
Whoopsies.
Whoopsie doos.
Whoopsie doozy.
Yeah, it's not stuck to your butt.
Okay, guys, we might think this is a boring video, but I'm so
We're
sorry. Because y'all might want this. We're not trying to make you sad. We're trying to make you
just
joyful.
to say, guys, I'm really sorry, but I'm not allowed to do giveaways.
You aren't? Why are you not allowed to do giveaways? Oh. Yeah, she's not allowed to do giveaways. I don't know why. I do know why, but I'm not going to tell you. I'll give... Maybe... Ow.
What?
That just... That hurt. Choked me to death.
Call me on my cell phone. Guys, if I look a little, like, my eyes closing a lot, it's because of the pollen.
Yeah, my eyes are closing like a lot because I have pollen all over my mom's car.
Look at my eyes.
It's like terrible. How did you get that much pollen in your eyes?
It's not. It's just when I breathe it in, it gets in my system.
My mommy breathes it in, and she does not like it. I get on that car, in that car, and my eyes start to get red everywhere. And my eyes started closed, my throat, I choke, I cough, and my throat hurts a lot. It's just terrible. Now we're gonna be done with this slime video.
In 5,
Wait.
4, 3, 2. That's the wrong way, woman.
Okay, that's the wrong way, woman. Okay, I'm a woman. Okay, so
I'm a better woman than you.
She needs to be quiet.
I didn't even have the bag in my hand. I thought you were gonna hold it.
No, I wasn't. I just handed it to you. Okay, we're done with the slime video.
Good.
Bye.